Hey guys, yeah, let us solve today's lead code problem, daily problem. Minimum swaps to group all ones together too. A swap is defined as taking two distinct positions in an array and swapping the values in them. A circular array is defined as an array where we consider first element and the last element to be adjacent. Given a binary circular array, nums return the minimum number of swaps required to group all ones present in the array together at any location. Oh my god. The minute we see it, we might be confused how to solve because moving all the ones either left or right. I mean, it can be either one, it can be at that position or it can move to left or it can move to right. So yeah, this seems kind of hard problem, but yeah, let once the intuition or the trick is known, right, it will be very easy, guys. So trust me on this. Yeah. So let us go to the solution directly. So we need to find how ways, I mean, minimum number of swaps required to group all ones together. So what is the length of I mean, let's say if we group all together ones, what will be the length of it? It will be equal to total number of ones in a array, right? So let us go with that approach. Now first let us count total number of ones in an array. Okay, first, so yeah, I have already written the code, so I will explain you each step by step, so don't worry. um Now we count the total number of ones in those. Okay, and he mentioned circular array can be circular. So I have created one more array called nums2, which stores which is actually nums plus nums. So we are appending nums to the again nums. So nums2 has been declared here. Now so the total subarray where all ones are together will be of size count in our case. Okay, of size count. So what we can do? So one thing is we can iterate through all subarrays of size count and find out the number of ones in those. The case where there are more ones will be the case there will be minimum swaps required because it will be zero, right? I mean, it will be having, let's say, two zeros. Those two zeros can be swapped from other word. I mean, other other part of the array. So where there are more number of ones in the subarray which has more number of ones will have the minimum swaps required. So you got my point, right? So here in this case also there are total number of ones to be 5. So we'll first check these 5. Here how many ones were there? 3 ones. So two swaps were required. I can swap this one to here and the other swap this one to here. So answer will be 2. Let us consider this subarray. Again there are 3 ones. So again two swaps. Moving these two ones to here. Let us consider this one. Again 2. I mean, two zeros, 3 ones. So again two swaps can be one from this side and one from this side. Now again here, again we can swap these ones to inside this. Now if we go with this cannot be paused. This has two ones, which means we will bringing three swaps from outside the subarray. So that is our institution. So what I'm doing is I'm storing two values. One is for counting maximum number of ones in a subarray, and the other one is number of ones in a subarray, which is stored in answer. In the variable answer, we are storing the current number of ones in our subarray, and maximum is out of all which has a maximum value of ones. So let us first for I in range of count, which means 0 to count minus 1. So we are covering first count elements in the subarray and counting the number of ones. So yeah, and then we are storing the answer value to be in maxi. And post storing that, what I'm doing is iterating other subarrays. So which is for I in range 1 comma 1. Since the first subarray started from 0, the next subarray obviously starts from 1. So for I in range 1 comma n. So yeah, we need to iterate up to last element. And then what I'm doing is if the new element, so since we left shifted by one element, the right will also be shifted by one element, right? So I'm just checking if the new element is 1, we'll increase the answer value by 1. Okay, and since we left shifted by 1, right? So if we are checking the previous element is 1, we will be decreasing the answer value by 1. And then we are storing the maximum value in maxi. If the current answer is maximum then maxi, then it will be stored in the maxi. Now maxi will have the value in which in a single subarray there are more number of ones. So let's say in this case it will store the value to be 3. So maxi will have answer to be 3, and swaps required will be count minus maxi, and that will be the solution, guys. Let us run through it. Oh, sorry, I did this mistake. Oh my god. Oh, while probably explaining I might have entered back tab twice. Let us check through it. Yeah, so this has passed. Now let us submit the code. Yeah, yeah, this has passed, guys. Yeah. Once again, thank you for watching. Yeah, I will be keep uploading from now onwards. And thank you, guys. Thanks for your patience for watching. Yeah.